Hello guys, Dr. Man United here. Today I'll be showing some changes which I have noticed so far this season. I know it's early doors, but still these are the things which I have noticed and I think they are important. Let's go. Number 1. Early substitutions. Ole has been showing inclinations of using the depth of his squad, especially in the attacking side of things. He has been bringing on early substitutions much earlier than compared to last season. He was bringing on substitutes in the 80th minute or so last season, but this season he has proved that with the wide array of attacking talent that he has, he is more inclined to change things up if they are not working out. Jadon Sancho in the 55th minute, and I don't know if the trend will continue, but if we want to go deep into every competition, early substitutions and squad rotations are important. Now that leads me to point number 2. Squad rotation. With the huge squad that we have on our hands, almost 26 or 7 senior players, we have seen that Ole usually does not rotate that much what we saw last season, but this season he has shown a little flexibility with his squad selection. Right now it's very difficult to predict Ole's squad and he's giving results apart from the young boys result, which I think is a blip. So I think that the squad rotation which Ole is implementing is working. I'd like to see Van de Beek given more chances, but yeah, what he's doing is actually really working. Apart from 7 guaranteed starters, he's rotating his squad well. I have seen minutes being given to Jesse Lingard, even Dan James while he was here, he was given minutes. Jadon Sancho is there. With Cavani and Rashford still injured, I think the squad rotation will be important to prevent further injuries going down season. Number 3. Defensive solidity. I know this season we have conceded almost in each of our games, but I have seen a different structural formation change. Our line is pushed up higher. Varane and Maguire are one of the most complementary partnerships we have in the Prem. And with Varane's experience, I think Maguire will improve going down the season because he has not yet performed to his best of capabilities this season. And even Shaw has levels to go. So I think the defense right now is sorted and we don't need to make changes that much in the defense. Number 4. Cup runs are going to be important because it will provide opportunity to Ole to give minutes to the players who are not regularly selected to keep them fit in case they are needed going down the season. I hope Van de Beek is given a good chance even in the Premier League games because I think there's a player in him. And I'd like to see him given time with the main team in the pivot role because I think he has gone the structural transformation needed to play in the pivot in the Premier League and his passing will be a key asset going forward. I know Scott played superbly against West Ham, but I think Scott and Van de Beek can play together and they can prove to be a better partnership than Scott and Fred. Let's see what happens going down the season. Number 5. Who else can it be? Cristiano Ronaldo. We have seen that the team changes when Cristiano plays. The mentality of every player has gone up a notch. I can see focus and determination. I know we have conceded many unlucky goals and even the Jesse Lingard goals was a blip in concentration, but I think the way he bounced back against West Ham was superb and elite mentality, and going down the season we'll see more comebacks and more goals from Cristiano Ronaldo. He has actually transformed the team from what it could have been and what it is now. We have seen he has adapted to Premier League like a duck with Manchester United. He has scored 4 goals in 3 games for us, while Messi is struggling to adapt to a new league with a new team with new demands. So early adaptation by Cristiano is a huge bonus to the team and he'll help so much going forward to Marcus, Mason and even Martial. I think he'll be a better player. He has not got minutes so far, but going down the line I think his displays will be impressive because so far what I have seen with France, Martial has been playing really good. Let's see what happens, and I think this season will be important because we'll see a lot of squad rotation. I'm not sure in the midfield, but other than that we have a very balanced and complete squad. So if you like the video, do share it and subscribe to my channel Dr. Man United for future videos. Thank you.